Do you know spiritual growth is not optional? It's the missing half of our evolution. Let's break it down. Look around you. Machines are learning. Algorithms are thinking. Quantum computers are opening doors to realities we can barely imagine. Humanity stands on the edge of creating artificial superintelligence, a mind that could outthink every human being who ever lived. But there's a question we almost never ask. Are we wise enough to guide what we are creating? The imbalance. For thousands of years, our outer technology has grown faster than our inner awareness. We have learned to split the atom but not to still the mind. We have mapped galaxies yet remain strangers to our own consciousness. This imbalance isn't new. Ancient seers in India describe the same pattern through the 4 Yugas, ages of rising and falling awareness. They said when knowledge outruns wisdom, when power outruns compassion, the world enters darkness, Kali Yuga, the new fire. Today, artificial intelligence is the new fire. Like the nuclear age before it, this fire can warm or destroy. With AGI and quantum AI, we could heal diseases, understand the universe, maybe even simulate entire realities. But if we use this power from the same consciousness that breeds greed, fear, and domination, we will only automate our ignorance. Technology without consciousness becomes a weapon. Technology with consciousness becomes liberation. What spiritual evolution really means? Spiritual evolution does not mean rejecting science. It means expanding who uses science. It means remembering that intelligence is not just computational, it is conscious. The ancient yogis called it Chaitanya, the living awareness behind thought. When we cultivate empathy, stillness, and self-knowledge, we build the only system that can safely host superintelligence, the awakened human heart. The consequence of forgetting, if we ignore this inner evolution, the results are already visible. Loneliness in the age of connection. Confusion in the age of information. Power without direction. The next stage of that curve is dangerous. AI could mirror our collective shadow, our biases, our hunger for control at a planetary scale. That is not prophecy, it's simple systems logic. Whatever data we feed into a machine, it amplifies. If we feed it unconsciousness, we get chaos. The turning point. But here is the hope. Every yuga also ends with awakening. When enough people remember the inner technology, meditation, compassion, clarity, a new balance emerges. Imagine a world where AI learns from minds anchored in wisdom, where quantum computing helps us understand the unity of existence, not exploit it, where science and spirituality are not opposites, but 2 wings of the same bird. That is how we step from Kali back towards Satya, not by time, but by consciousness. Humanity does not need to choose between technology and spirituality. We need to marry them. The real singularity is not when machines surpass humans. It's when humans awaken to what they truly are, consciousness itself. Every breath, every act of awareness, every moment of compassion is code written into the field of reality. So before we build machines that think like gods, let's remember to live like them, with wisdom, balance, and love. This is the evolution that will save us. Awakened intelligence, the only way forward. As technologies rise, humanity faces its greatest test. Can we evolve inwardly as fast as we evolve outwardly? Spiritual awakening is not luxury, but survival in the age of superintelligence. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.